Okay, doing this video for how to make halos for basically any type of car, specifically the 98-02 Camaro. Got listed here what you need. First, you need your headlight, of course. Then you need a heat gun or an oven to heat up the headlights. Then you'll need beading wire or acrylic wire, which is very thin, just a little bead, or a small black wire. I don't know if that'll focus in. To hold the halos in. Need some gloves and a flathead screwdriver, Sharpie, then a 1/32 size bit to drill small holes for the beading wire. And you'll need these to take the ends off the halo, which I already done, but it's a little clip that holds the pin in. I'll show you real quick. This is a little pin, and you just clip the pin off this thing. That way you can run the halo through the headlight. You'll need a bigger drill bit than a drill. I'm just going to do one halo just to show you really how to do it. So I'm going to take these apart real quick, then I'll show you how to do it. So usually I leave the plastic on the headlight so you don't get all the glue and stuff on the lenses, because it's a pain to take off. But on the 98-02 Camaro headlights, there's 4 little clips. You just pop them off. There's those. Now what you want to do is take your heat gun and just heat up around the edge. And these are really easy to get off, unlike like the new age Mustangs or any type of newer vehicle. But take these in. Now, get the lenses off. And you don't want to get the glue on the lens like I did, because that stuff's incredibly hard to get off. But these are just an extra set I had laying around, so I'm not too worried about keeping them clean and perfect. But those are pretty easy to take off. Now, get the lens off, and you want to try to keep the glue off the inside too. But now we're going to take a flathead, not a flathead, but a Phillips head, and take this little piece off. Then we will mark our holes for the halos, then get the halos drilled. Now all I did was align the halo up to where it was even, or like lined up near the center. So once you get it lined up, you mark where the wire on the back is. So I marked it right here in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there with the Sharpie. So now I'm gonna get a drill bit and drill it. Hold this one real quick. Hold this one.
Hold what?
Phone like up here above my head. Then I just drilled a hole. That way we can run the wire through. Then we get Shannon to hold the phone like up here.
Okay.
Yeah. So all we're gonna do is take the wire, then just run it through the hole. And after you got it, you just want to make sure it's still nice and even, which it is. Then you want to grab your Sharpie, and you want to make a small little dot up top, and a small little dot right below it to mark where you want to drill to hold the wire in. The same on the bottom. Make a little hole. Make a little dot. Then you want to pull the halo back out. Size drill bit, because this one is too big to make the hole, but I'm not selling these to anybody. So what you want to do is make two little light dots up top, then on the bottom that's where I'm going to drill the two holes. Then you want to wipe it out. So now that we got the holes drilled, as you can see, now we'll put the halo back in. Then we will mount the halo. So see, it's still lined up good. Now, you're gonna grab your beading wire. Maybe some wire cutters and some needle nose pliers. Cut you off. I usually cut off probably like, I don't know how long it is, like 4 inches. Then you want to run the wire through the back of the headlight. And it comes in, that circles up above. Then you want to line the halo up even. Then once you get that, you want to twist the wire. Then use the needle nose pliers and just finish twisting it till it's tight. If I can get a hold of it. Then you want to get you another 4 inches or so of wire. I guess that'd be about 4 inches. Then run it through the bottom of the holes. After that, you still want to make sure it's pretty well even, like in the circle. Then you want to flip it back over, twist the wires. And that's it. Now, this is just a quick job. I really didn't take my time, but as you can see, the halo's in. Then right here is the beading wire, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it yet. There it is. It's just a small little wire that holds it in. And you got your little piece for your headlight bulb to go back in. Then it'll be right in the center. But after you get the halo installed and you're about to finish up the job, you want to put you some like black silicone right here. Clip the wires and fill in the holes with black silicone so it don't leak. But that's pretty much it. You can do 4 wires. You can do one up top and one on the bottom like I did, or you can do one on each side and top and bottom. But I hope this answers some questions about how to install halos, because I no longer do my business, so I always get asked how do you do your halos or this and that. So I made this to kind of help describe and show you how I've done the 9802 halo kits. Now the 93 to 97 Camaro, that's a lot more aggravating. It takes a long time to do those. But hopefully this helped y'all some, and see y'all in the next video.